Hey guys, welcome back to Nanrobot. Today we will show you how to replace the LS7 72 volts rear suspension. If there is no scooter repair station near you, you can complete the replacement of the rear suspension according to the following steps. First, remove the screws on both sides of the rear fender and then remove the fender itself. Next, unscrew the nut cover on the swing arm and the interior nut. After that, remove the shim from the swing arm. Take off the swing arm. Proceed to remove the two screws on the rear suspension. At this point, you can remove the locking bolt and take off the rear suspension. Get a new shock absorber, align the holes, and install the locking bolt. Tighten the screws at both ends and ensure they are secure. Align the holes and install the swing arm. Next, install the shim. Install the nuts into their corresponding holes. Please note that there are two different types of nuts, so ensure to not install them backwards. Tighten the nut cover and ensure all the components installed earlier are secured. This is crucial for your riding safety. Finally, align the rear fender with the holes and tighten the screws above to secure it. If the above method still can't solve your problem, please contact the support team. The professional technicians there will provide you with solutions to ensure that your scooter can run normally. Hope this video will help you, and don't forget to hit that like and subscribe buttons, and we'll see you in the next one.